I'm filming. Oh my god, my heart is melting.
Oh my god! Oh jeez. Oh my god! Oh my heart. Me too. Don't do that. Bulimic. You next. Oh my god.
These are so cute. Okay, I'm pretty sure I need a hug shot right now. I'm pretty sure I need one right now. Thank you. Aw, look at this. Besties, look at this. Aw. Wait, one full body.
You full body? Do you have to? Sweet. Oh my god. Is your mom out there? Yeah. She was the one who set this up.
So, Boo, do you still want me to record, by the way?
Roxy, quiet. She was the one who was like, you should do this, you should do this, you shouldn't text her, you should text her when you get to her house. How'd you get here? My parents.
Courtney, am I good on the video?
Yeah, you turn it